Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C53 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's scroll down again and tap on Reset Options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, so the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Let's tap on Reset Settings if you're ready and confirm it with the lock screen. Here we've got also the information that you cannot undo this action, so if you're ready, if you want it, just tap on Reset Settings, and as you can see, we've got this information, so it means that we just successfully reset everything. I mean, of course, network settings. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.